Hello everyone, this is Mamta from Cadd RAJAJINAGAR. Today we are going to learn how to create a layer in a AutoCAD software. So that first we open the software. For the creation of layer, go to the layer properties and then go to new layer, or for shortcut key Alt N, and then go to color. Select the color, which color you want, and then again add many layers. So go to new layer and then change the color, and this is the line type. Then go to line type, select the line types, or also we can load the line types. And this is for line weight. This is the thickness of the lines. And this is the transparency. Give the value in between 0 to 90. This is the creation of a layer in an AutoCAD, and it can also be matched by using the match properties. I'm using the match property. Shortcut key, then enter. And select the object. Which object you want to get same color, select that line and then match. This is the match property. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.